Hi, I'm Satya Sharan. I'm 34 years old. I work with Decathlon Sports India as an expansion manager. I'm responsible for Mumbai in the region of Maharashtra. I joined Decathlon mainly because I fell in love with the store when I came once to visit Bangalore. That's when I decided that I must be with this company. As an expansion manager, I'm responsible for understanding and studying a particular market and to test if it's feasible to have a Decathlon store for that particular market. This is also to ensure that we have maximum return on investment for the company. Market analysis includes understanding the retail market in the particular area, understanding the current and the future development for infrastructure for the area, and also understanding the key residential and commercial development, current and future for the particular area. My other responsibility would include prospecting, which is going on the field, shortlisting and locating sites, and understanding if those sites are suitable and practical to open a new Decathlon store. Having identified a location, it is my responsibility to go and meet the landlords or the developers of these locations to discuss with them opportunities for opening a Decathlon store in their locations. Once things fall in place for a prospective location, I present and discuss the location internally with teams like legal, architecture and design, construction, and finance to understand if that prospect can be a desired Decathlon store. My key responsibility is to sit down with the landlords and developers and negotiate on the terms and conditions and commercials for the particular prospect. This is to understand if the prospect is feasible for us to open a Decathlon store and respecting the fact of our profit and loss and the philosophy of low cost. My job is to complete the responsibilities towards a prospect and handing over the project to the construction team, and then look at moving forward and opening new possibilities for another Decathlon store. As an expansion manager, I report to the regional manager who is responsible for the development of an entire region or state. I'm passionate about cycling as a sport, and it's that passion that keeps me going at my job.